everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of doing my $21 challenge, and because of that I have to make a whole lot of staples from scratch. So today I thought I'd show you how I make almond milk. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add about 1 cup of almonds. So roughly about that much. And then we're going to add some water. I like to use filtered water for mine, just because I know that there's going to be no nasties, no extra chemicals, anything that I don't want in my almonds, because they're going to soak up a little bit of this water. So I just want to make sure it's as pure as possible. So I'm just going to give those a little push down. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to leave this to sit for at least 6 hours or overnight. So just depending on what the time is wherever you are. So it's quite an easy way just to do this at night before you go to bed, and then you can make your almond milk in the morning. Soaking your almonds like this really helps remove the enzymes that are in the peel. So it also means you don't have to blanch your almonds. After 6 hours, your almonds are ready to be strained off. So we're going to strain and rinse, and then we're going to add your almonds to a high-powered blender. Next up, we're going to add 1 litre of filtered water. This is the same as about 4 cups. And finally, add in a pinch of pink salt. You can, if you want, also add some vanilla flavour of some sort, but I don't use that because I like to use almond milk for savoury dishes. Time to get the blender ready. I like to set my blender to 1 minute, and we're going to go right up until the top speed. Now at this point you have 2 choices. You can leave the almond milk the way it is with the pulp in, or you can strain it through a nut milk bag that you can get from a health food shop, which is a bit like a very fine muslin cloth. I'm just going to place this right into a glass bottle and store in the fridge. You can store your almond milk for up to 5 days in the fridge, making sure that you give it a really good shake before each use. I hope you have enjoyed this quick little video on how to make your own almond milk. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I will see you again next time.